Can I take your name, please?
Yes, it's Tofik.
Okay, Tofik. How can I help you?
Well, I have burnt my hand and I'm not sure what to do.
I see. What were you doing when you burnt it?
I was making lunch.
Lunch? What happened?
I was taking some hot soup out of the microwave when it went on my hand.
Oh, dear.
It's very red and it's really hurt.
Okay, you need to put your hand under cooled water. It's important to put it under cooled water for 10 minutes.
Okay, and then what?
Well, I think it will be fine after that. But if it still hurts, tomorrow go and see your doctor.
Okay, I'll do that. Thanks for your help.
You are welcome. Bye.
Hello, can I take your name, please?
This is Atif.
Okay, Atif, how can I help you?
It's my mom. She's got a problem with her knee.
Okay, what happened?
While she was walking along the street when she fell over.
Can she walk?
Yes, she can, but her knee is purple and it hurts a lot. What's the best thing to do?
First, put some ice on it. Ice is very good for bruises. Definitely, she will be better by ice.
Okay, thanks for your help.
You are welcome, dear. Bye.